the grace of a woman starts from her hair. So if your hair are looking very healthy, looks very shiny and smoother, and without any frizz, without any dryness issue, of course it's gonna amplify your overall look. Today I'm gonna talk about how to treat your damaged hairs once they are damaged from the roots. So in this video I will cover all my DIY. You can reverse the damage and you can make it still look shinier. And trust me ladies, you don't have to go to the salon. You don't have to cut your precious hairs. You just have to do some things at your home. If you keep doing it, you will see the results. Let's start with how do you wash your hairs? How do you shampoo your hairs? I don't shampoo my hair the normal way, the way normally people do use to shampoo their hair. They'll go for the shampooing their scalp and then they go for the conditioner. I do it in a reverse manner. What I do is, I will have a hair mask. I will quickly tell you what is a hair mask. So what I will do is, instead of a conditioner, I will use a hair mask. I apply from the middle section to the ends of my hair. The ends of the hairs are the hairs which are normally more damaged. So I will apply hair mask from the middle section till the end of the hair, and on the top I will apply the shampoo. After 5 to 10 minutes I will rinse it, and then in the second time I will apply hair mask again, and this time I will only apply hair mask and it will go from middle section of my hair till the ends of my hair. I will wait for 10 to 15 minutes for my hair masks to work on my hairs. At that 15 minutes of my time, I will go for my pedicure. Whatever you want to do, you can watch your YouTube videos, anything in your cell phones. Normally nowadays people go in the restroom with their mobile phones. So you can watch anything for 10 to 15 minutes while you are in the shower. After 15 minutes, if you can use a cold water, it is very beneficial because the cold water will lock the moisture in your hair. If you have migraine and you can't stand cold water like me, then you can go for lukewarm water to rinse your hair. Shampoo dries your hairs. So shampoo should only be used to remove the impurities on your scalp. I normally don't use conditioner because it dries my hair. So if conditioner is not suitable for you, I will encourage you to go for a hair mask. Hair mask has silicone coating. Because of that silicone coating, your hairs are gonna look more shinier. So especially for the women with the damaged hair or chemically treated hair, if your hairs are looking more dry because of your chemical treatments on your hair, any kind of treatment, coloring, smoothing, straightening, any kind of chemical treatment on your hairs, you can fix this by utilizing your hair mask. If you want to do hair spa at home, you can use the same hair mask. The only difference is where you will apply the hair mask from roots till the ends of your hair properly. This is how I do my hair spas. Once a week, apply your hair mask from roots till the ends of your hairs and let it sit for 15 minutes. But you need one extra towel and you also need hot water. So dip your towel in hot water and use that towel to wrap your hair filled with hair mask. Cover your hairs with that hot water towel. Wait for 15 minutes. Once you feel the towel is getting cooler, you dip that towel again in the hot water and you wrap it for another 5 minutes. After that, you can rinse it with a cold water or with a lukewarm water. You will see the difference. You will feel even the smoothness of your hair once you do that. So you can use that hair spa at home, ladies, to make your hair look more smoother than before. Especially if you have damaged hair, this is the best treatment for you to do at home. You don't have to go to any salon for this. Extra thing you need is your towel and hot water. That's it. Talking about hair masks I'm using, initially I started with Laurel, but I think brand is not that important. You can have any mask. Currently I'm using Shortpuff. Any mask you can get easily, go for that if you want to grow your hairs in speed. So this is what I do. I will make a mixture where I will mix coconut oil with olive oil, and also I will add 3 or 4 capsules of vitamin E. Mix all 3 in a bowl, any bowl. Vitamin E capsules, 3 or 4 generally is maximum. This mixture you apply on your hair and let it sit for 1 hour or 2 hours. You can wash your hair, rinse it with shampoo, use your hair masks. Okay, once in a week, if you do, you will see the growth of your hair. If you want long lustrous hairs, let's talk about bleached hairs. Over the experience in my life, after applying so many treatments in my hair, I feel bleaching my hair was the dangerous decision I took. And if anybody has ever bleached their hairs, they know what I'm talking about. It's the most dangerous thing you can do to your hairs. So there was a time when I really wanted to go blonde. I have also posted a video of my blonde hairs. For getting blonde hair, and this is one thing I badly want to do in my life, at least once in a lifetime. So I went for blonde hair and I bleached my hair, because the salon people cannot get the desired color if they cannot bleach your hair. So if that is the case, I will say refrain from bleaching. Choose colors where you don't need to get your hair bleached. I got my hair bleached and I can't tell you they were damaged like anything. I decided later on that never ever I'm gonna bleach my hair again, and I waited for my new hairs to grow. In case you have bleached your hairs, obviously your hairs are gonna be more damaged. I have one very good remedy for you girls. It's the egg, which can make your hair look better and very smooth and shiny even after you have bleached your hairs. The only thing you have to do is have an egg once a week or once in 2 weeks. Use that egg, and you have to only use the liquid portion of the egg and just apply on your hair and scalp. Let it sit for 1 hour or 2 hours and then you wash your hairs. Now the problem with this is egg smells so bad. It has a very pungent smell. I have a very strong nose. I can't stand the smell of egg at all. So if you are also like me, what you can do is have one banana and mix that liquid portion of egg with the banana. If you have mixer in your homes, mix the banana pieces with the egg liquid, and then after mixing, then you can apply it on your hair. It's not gonna smell as bad as egg. It's in fact gonna smell like a banana, this mixture. Let it sit for 1 hour, 2 hours, and then you properly wash your hairs with shampoo and with hair masks. Not only it's gonna make your hair lustrous, look so lustrous, even after one application, you will see the difference in your hairs. Once you will come out of shower, it makes your hair so much silky and smoother. Next is, if you are staying in locations where there is hard water, you might be facing hair loss issues because of hard water. For that, you can invest in getting the filters. There are tap filters, there are shower filters, which are easily available in Amazon. These filters will convert that hard water into normal water, so that you can use on your hair and get rid of hair loss if you are facing hair loss because of hard water. So the next is, try to minimize the use of heating iron, girls. Too much heating products, if you are using in your hairs, it is gonna decrease the quality of your hair. Curlers, maybe your straighteners. Now I totally understand, sometimes we do need it, like special functions like your weddings, celebrations. You might need to use your heating irons or heating tools, but try to restrict it to reduce your hair from getting burnt out. Okay, now talking about hair dryers. Nowadays we have modern dryers, modern hair dryers, which have cool air setting. Use that cool air to dry your hair. It will take a little bit more time, but over time I think you will be habitual of this. Really want to use hair dryers, try to use the cool air settings instead of hot air settings. In case your hairs are really damaged and you can do nothing about it, like it's completely burnt, maybe by using your heating iron tools and anything, try to cut those hairs. Go get a nice haircut in case you feel the ends of your hairs are totally burnt From time to time you need to go and get a haircut so that all the damaged ends of your hair gets removed. Now I understand the point that a lot of girls like long hair, and even men nowadays, they go for, a majority of men go for long hair lengths. That looks really attractive for girls as well, but I don't see any point in keeping the dead ends alive if you're keeping it for just for the sake of, you know, your length. I feel it's more beneficial for you if you keep your lengths or your ends healthy as well by just going to the salon and get a nice haircut where your dead ends or damaged ends gets removed through cutting. So if the damage is happening in this part, of course you cannot cut your hairs, ladies. So you can apply any of these methods which I have listed in this video and get your hair look lustrous and shiny even if it is damaged from the inside. There is another remedy which you can do at your homes, and that is using curd. Curd does make your hair look smoother. Let it sit for 1 hour and then you just wash your hair. If you are a non-vegetarian person and you like having fish, or girls who eat a lot of fish, they normally have shinier hair. Ladies I have in my life who are non-vegetarians and they used to eat a lot of fish, tuna and salmon fish. They are blessed with the shinier hairs. So if you are a non-vegetarian, try to have fishes included in your diets. So with that being said, I'm gonna sign off and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.